Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Gan and you're watching Pacific Northwest Prospecting. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. So, what are we doing today? Well, I'm cooking a turkey for Thanksgiving here at home with the family. While the turkey is cooking, I thought that we would run some of the Cape Disappointment concentrates that I have from a quick trip that me and my wife did a while back. I haven't ran them, and I thought today would be a great day to do it. I've got my cleanup sluice set up right here, set up to recirculate. I'm gonna run this, keep an eye on the turkey. Let's get some gold.
Okay, so here we go. This is the concentrates from running my sluice. We're gonna start panning this back, start working the gold out of it. I can actually see some fine gold in there right now. But I don't wanna make you sit here and watch me pan out this whole thing because it's gonna take a while. So let's speed this up a little bit. All right, there we go. Very nice. So we're gonna get this gold dried out and we're gonna see how much gold we got.
All right, let's see how much we got. .57 grams. Not too bad. Usually by the end of summer, that's about how much gold we're getting for a day. So I'm pretty happy with that. We're just waiting for the big winter storms to come in and we'll start seeing some higher numbers on the scale. So thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope that you have a great holiday. If you liked this video, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be putting out more videos soon, especially a trip down to the beach once those big storms hit. So stay tuned. Bye.